Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Shinelong. Today I will introduce you a conveyor pizza oven. It's ideally suitable for the limited-sized kitchen chain restaurants or the takeaway stores. And the advantage is it can provide higher output. For the material of this pizza oven, it is all stainless steel. No matter front, sides, top and interior are all the same material. And front is with access window to check status of the baking pizza. Stainless steel handle with heat insulated sleeve at two ends. It's floor type with 5-inch caster, so it's very easy to move. It's with microprocessor controller. Both baking time and temperature are always under perfect control. The cooking chamber is big enough, and inside is with fans, so the hot air pressure makes rapid heating and makes the food more crispy. The max temperature is 300 degrees, and the baking time can be 1 to 14 minutes according to your thickness of pizza. If you pursue higher output, this machine is stackable. You can consider stack to 2-layer or 3 layers. Okay, so if you are interested in our products, please contact us. We will provide more choices for you. Bye!